everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my introduction for Face the Music 2.0. This is the second year of the project that Jessica and I created. It's all about music. It is a roulette style rolling project. You pick 3 to 6 prompts. And you set your own goals. It starts today, December 12th, 2024, and goes through December 11th, 2025. Again, 3 to 6 products rolling. You set your own goals. I'm going to use this as a project 10 uses, I think, just because I want to kind of rotate through things that I have, and I want to get use out of some things. And I also am in the mood to kind of whittle down my collection, so I feel like this will be a good way for me to decide, yes, I like the product, or no, I don't. I think 10 uses is a pretty good judge of that. So it is a Fantastic Ladies Club, but you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to join. I think I have a link for the prompts in the description box down below. Just make sure you tag me or use Jessica or I, and use the hashtag for us to find you. So yeah. So let me put on my glasses. So I have product pretty random. I have 1 through 337. I'm gonna pull 6. So here we go. 146, 235, 18, 323, 157, and 218. So I'm going to look at the prompts, I'm going to go grab my products, and then I will be back and I will walk you through everything that I'm going to be using for the next month. Sorry if the angle changed or whatever, but I had to change my battery. So I realized that we had a repeat song, so I went ahead and deleted it. It was You're Still the One. Maybe there are 2 versions of that, I don't know, but I deleted my version of that. So we have 336 on the list, but let's start with number 18. Number 18 is Bad Habits, a product you keep buying but you shouldn't. This is like twofold. Number 1, blush. Like, I keep buying blush and I don't need any more blush. But number 2, these Tarte Amazonian clay palettes that they come out with every year. Now, I didn't get the one from this year because I was like, Misty, I think I have 30 Amazonian clay blushes. Now, I love this blush formula. It's so good, but I don't need to be buying anymore. So there are 6. My goal is going to be to use each shade 10 times. So this one may be in here for a little bit. We see. So that was for Bad Habits, a product you keep buying but you shouldn't. And blush is that number 1. I bought Black Friday, I bought a blush. So yeah. Number 146. If I Were a Rich Man, an expensive product, and I'm going to bring in this. I keep bringing this into projects and I haven't used it yet. This is an Hourglass lipstick. And like I said, I'm using this as a project 10 uses. So my goal is to use this 10 times. Next, Just Got Started Loving You. I love that song, and it's weird that he didn't have any others after that one. A newly loved product. I am going to bring in an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Sinister eyeshadow palette by Cosmic Brushes. I have this in Strawberry Shortcake, I think. So my goal is going to be to use the shade Sinister. Where are we? This one, it's the one that flips 10 times. It's so pretty. You guys have heard me rave on about the Cosmic Brushes formula. I love it. Placed the Black Friday order for that new Christmas palette. So goal is to use that shade 10 times. I just can't get over I just can't get over it. I can't. Next we have 218, which is Purple Rain, a purple product or print themed. We're going back, and I am going to use the shade Haunted 10 times. Oh, this one's so pretty. I could use this one today. On my eyes, I have the Inslee Rain Cold Frost. I think it's Cold Frost palette. So yeah, so use that 10 times. The next one is Say My Name, and that's a product with a person's name. I'm going to bring in this. This is the Roxy's highlighter by, it was a collaboration between a creator named Roxy and Revolution. And so my goal is going to be to use this 10 times. And then last but not least, You're Still the One. A product that's still a favorite, I'm bringing in this. This is the Shop Miss A cleansing balm. This is so good. If you are a pharmacy user, I encourage you to try this one instead. It is just as good, if not better. And I think it is 4 times, like a fourth of the cost, and it's the exact same size. You get these off the Shop Miss A site. They were about $8, and they did have a small one. So if you wanted to test it out first, you could. So yeah. So to recap, I've picked 6. A product that you keep buying but you shouldn't. Amazonian clay blushes, blushes in general. I'm going to use each shade 10 times. That one's going to be here for a minute. An expensive product. I'm using the Hourglass lip for 10 times. Newly Loved. I'm bringing in the Sinister palette, and I'm going to be using the Sinister shade for 10 times. And then for Purple Rain, I'm using the shade Haunted 10 times. Product with the name. Roxy highlighter 10 times. I guess I could swatch this one for you too. It's actually a really lovely formula. The blushes in these for Revolution are also really, really pretty too. It's a really pretty glow. And then product you still love. And that's this. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you want to hop on this one, please feel free. Again, it is rolling. You can do 3 to 6 products. You set your own goals. Like, it's such a chill, no fuss kind of project. And if you're someone who loves music as much as Jessica and I do, then I think this is perfect. And again, you can't be a completionist with this one. There's too many. But use it as a project 10 uses or a rolling 6-pan, whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's what I eat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you'll consider subscribing. Let me show you the eyeshadow. Never mind. I don't know where it went. But anyway, this is from the Cold Moon palette. This is the Strawberry Moon palette. Listen, Inslee Rain is stupid expensive, but her stuff is just so good. It's just so good. So yeah, that's it. I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you haven't already, let me know if you've jumped on this one or if you think that this is one you want to hang out and do with me. Again, you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to do one, or excuse me, do this. Pick 3 products, you know, and go from there. All right, friends, that's it. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.